Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Jubiria Sheikh. As you all know, that we gathered here to discuss a very significant global observation. My topic is maintain the balance of nature. Nature plays an important role in healthy living and the existence of life on Earth. Everything present around us is our environment. It includes all living and non-living things in our surroundings. Nature gives us fruits, vegetables and grains to eat. My dear friends, we can make our earth a better place to live by taking simple steps like planting trees, saving trees, reducing plastic usage and by saving all natural resources. We should avoid the use of plastic and other polluting things. We must use eco-friendly products. Remember, our little efforts together brings a huge difference in our nature. With this, I would like to end my speech. Thank you.